Boys and girls, today we talked about number lines. So I want us to use Braining Camp to practice with some number lines. So the way you get there, remember you go to your dashboard or your Rapid Identity, it's got a little red flag there, and all your tiles will come up. And you should have Braining Camp on there. It looks like this. So you're going to click on Braining Camp. And then you're going to find the number lines, because that's what we're talking about, number lines, finding numbers on a number line. Now, you'll notice this very first number line that comes up. If I take a look at it, at first it looks like to me it's counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. But if you notice, there's numbers in between here. So this first number I know is going to be 1. Like I could know this would be actually the number 1. And then if I could write small enough, I could get 2 in there. Okay, so this one's counting by ones, but I can change it to count by twos. So now look at this number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I can change it again. Hang on, let me erase this. I can change it again to count by fives. Now look at it. Each number in between here, I know, oh, that could be 5. Okay, you have, okay, so I could have 5, oops, hang on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So do some practice on your own, practicing these numbers and practicing counting on a number. Notice how they count, number lines go up, right? Or if I start from this direction, if I start from over here, they're going to count going down. Okay, so take them and don't be crazy with this. Okay, leave it right here between 0 and 100 because I don't want it to be bigger than that or less than that. And just practice doing, there's the counting by tens, so I can count by tens. It can have the 5 ticks, count by twos, or count by ones. See if you can pick a number somewhere and figure out what would that number be. So if I were counting by twos, and I'm wondering, what is this number right here? Okay, I know it's counting by twos and it's going up. So if I think about it, 50, 52, 54, this number is going to be 54. Okay, I know this is counting by twos. I can find this number right here, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the number 8. Or, I can erase all this. Let me go find a number that's with the 5s. Let me count by 5s. If these are the 5s and I'm trying to look for a number, if I were trying to figure out what number goes right here, well, I know it's counting by 5, so I would count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I know this number right here is 35. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to get on Braining Camp, and I want you to play around with just the parts that I've showed you today. Okay, I want you to play around with changing your ticks from 5 to 10 to 2s to 1s. Think about how the number's counting and see if you can figure out, just pick a number somewhere and be like, what is this number right here? And see if you can figure it out. Okay, and then when you're finished, I have an activity I want you to do on Seesaw. All right, do a great job today.